It's day 3. Good morning on day 3. It's about, I don't know, 8:30, 8:40 in the morning. Our batteries are down about 72%, so we need to run the motor for a little while to charge our refrigerator. And you can hear our sat phones going off like crazy. Actually, it's not our sat phone. We have a GPS communicator that we give out to patrons, and they can text us, and so we'll talk to them. We got 14 knots of wind, and it's about 40 degrees off that way, so we are going to put the Spinnaker up. So first thing we're going to do is take the head sail down and give us room to work. We keep our Spinnaker in the forward hold, so of course we had to dig that out. All that was left was to raise the sock, and we were flying the Spinnaker. It's not ideal that we have to carry this much gasoline for our water maker and our generator, but it's what we have to work with. With those duties done, it was time to try and catch some dinner.
I'm gonna try something a little different. I'll put this baby Marauder on there and see what happens.
Ooh, a baby Marauder.
Normally the big ones are like the bigger Marauders are good for like Wahoo, because they dive a little deeper, but we'll put this little one on there and see if we can't get something.
I'm okay with some Wahoo.
Mix it up.
Well, honestly, I was worried we weren't going to have enough content for today, and then all of a sudden all heck breaks loose. We're just about to start placing cards, and Spinnaker hourglassed itself. I think maybe we had too much slack on the clue line, or the wind shifted around or whatever, but by the time we could get up there to take care of it, it had wrapped itself pretty good, and we had to pull it down.
Watch your head.
We had to untwist the Spinnaker, and it's not like we could just pull it out on the dock, so into the cabin it went.
So much for having a nice, clean, fresh day. We worked pretty dang hard. Had to get it inside the boat, had to untangle it, and untwist it, and untangle it, and untwist it, and then we had to figure out how we were gonna stuff it back in there.
Better now than when...
Here, hold the camera, I'll get the net. Here, wait. It's a Dorado.
Oh, baby.
We just caught another Dorado. He's a little bit bigger than the last one.
Surf and turf.
Surf turf, but the problem is he got him right, the hook went right through his eye, so we probably would have thrown him back had that not happened, but yeah.
Yeah, if he wouldn't hurt, we would have.
If he wouldn't hurt, we probably would have tossed him, but he's still a good size. He's enough for us to eat. We were feeling better after catching the mahi, so it was time to raise the spinnaker again. How was that, Laura?
I don't really know how to describe that. We just had an entire spinnaker throughout the boat. How many feet is that? That has to be like 100 feet minimum. That was all the way through, all the way out, and then wiggle, 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 up the halyard and poof again. And then almost flew off the boat with it. Put the spinnaker up, they say. It'll be fun, they say.
Uh-oh.
Yeah! The force!
That was a lot of work. I'm tired now. Whew.
Trying to have some cheese and crackers. Oh, and then we got a fish on in the middle of that.
Yeah. Great timing for a fish. We actually ended up taking the spinnaker down after we put it back up because the wind's pretty strong and it was kind of shifting out of a little bit more out of the north than we would like for the spinnaker. So, but anyway, it's been a good trip so far. So people, sorry. People often ask, you know, what do we eat here out here? So tonight we got steak, rice, and vegetables.
That's right. Work hard, eat hard.
That's right.
And we caught a mahi earlier. I guess we're gonna eat that tomorrow, or
Do that tomorrow, yeah.
tomorrow. So there you go.